Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Rhino 3D. In this episode of Rhino Commands for Beginners, I will show you how to create a shape using the surface creation tools. Whether you're a beginner or more experienced, you'll find valuable tips and techniques in this tutorial. Let's get started and create something amazing together. Surface from network of curves. Sweep two rails. Loft. Sweep two rails. Surface from 2, 3, or 4 edge curves. Surface from planar curves. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please share it with your friends. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next tutorial.